What's up guys? So some of you might have run into this issue while editing blueprints where you have these white lines stuck in the editor and you can't work properly. Now this has been a thing since like Unreal Engine 4 and doesn't seem to happen as often in Unreal Engine 5. In fact, I wasn't even able to replicate it to show you guys, but I've seen this pop up online recently, and the quick way to fix this, which is what I used in Unreal Engine 4, is basically just take any of the windows that you have, like the components, details, etc., and just move them along those lines. Additionally, you can snap them to them and that should get rid of them, since these white lines are basically like a grid that allows you to snap windows to like the bottom part, top part, or middle. And even if you don't have this issue, this is actually a really nice tip for you to arrange your workspace how you want to. So let's say you want the details on the left side, I can just snap them to the left side, take the components to the right side, I can just move them along like I want to thanks to these grids. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, it helps out a lot, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!